Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do the wet look on my natural hair. I've been seeing these videos everywhere and I've wanted to do it for a while now and I'm just ready to try it. I feel like the way for it to work, I feel like what you really need to focus on is the gel, but I'm not for sure because I haven't tried this. I haven't done like a trial run first, so I'm just going to be trying it for the first time right now. Today, I'm just gonna use a lot of gel and hopefully that like gives it the wet look. So I guess we'll just find out together. I just washed my hair. It's still a little damp, but I do have my spray bottle just in case because I'm probably gonna need to add more water into my hair for sure. So the products that I'm gonna be using are the Cantu Care for Kids Curling Cream. And then also, I typically use Eco Styler gel. I typically use just like something like this, but as you can see it's like empty. So the gel I'm gonna use today, I just started using this gel. I've tried it, I think I've used it twice so far, and it has a really strong hold. This is the gel. I'm just gonna kind of section it off and start from the back and work my way up. I'm gonna do a middle part, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my part first. I'm gonna be working in small sections just to make sure that I get just to kind of get the best results that I can. So first, I'm just gonna spray it down. I'm thinking I probably should change my shirt because you probably won't be able to see my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it down with water and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Cantu product. It's gonna define my curls and keep it moisturized. It has shea butter, coconut oil, and honey in it. So I'm just gonna brush it through. I think this section is really small. I don't think I actually need to make them this small going forward. Okay, so I'm gonna take some gel, like a good amount. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. I'm starting all the way at the roots of my hair and then just working it all the way down and adding more if necessary. Then after applying the gel, I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush through my section. Okay, that is the first section. And I'm just gonna do the same thing throughout my whole head. Just apply a little bit of this. And then gel on top. Okay, on to the next section. I'm gonna do a little bit bigger section because that's gonna take forever and I don't think they necessarily need to be that small. So I just start by spraying the section, just making sure it's soaking wet. Then I'll just brush through it with my brush. Then I'll apply the Cantu cream and then I'll apply the gel on top. And then just brush that through. Okay, then on to the next section and I'm just going to be doing the same thing. So it's just spray it down, then I'll go in with the brush and detangle it. Then after I'm done detangling it with the brush, then I'll go in with the cream and then I'll put that throughout my hair and then I just use the brush to kind of make sure it's all on every strand and that it's still detangled. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the gel and just kind of applying it at my roots and then pulling it down. And then I'll go ahead and brush through it. And I'm just kind of, after I brush through it, I just kind of squeeze it together. So that way they'll be clumped together. Okay, so I'm doing the same steps for the front sections, but like for the top, I'm just gonna kind of like brush it down and like lay it down flat to my head instead of like having it like free flowing, you know, because I want it to be slicked back all the way to the back from the front. Okay, so now that I have it slicked back, I'm just kind of running my fingers through the back strands just to make sure those are going to be kind of flowy and not like just stuck to my head. And now I'm just kind of doing my edges a little bit, trying to put some little swoops in there, make it look cute. And this is how it's looking so far. Kind of getting worried if I use too much gel, but I think like, how could you use too much gel? I don't know, but I'm kind of having a good feeling about this. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I did on the other side to this side. I'm just kind of slicking that back, and once I have it slicked back, I'm just going to use my fingers to separate my hair. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges on the other side. And then I'm just touching up my edges on the other side. This is how it looks after I have applied all of the products. And I'm just going to kind of take my fingers and spread out some of the curls. Okay, so I think what I might do, I may sit under the dryer for a little bit because it's so like goopy and wet and I feel like it will never dry. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer with maybe like a cool or warm, maybe in between cool and warm temperature, so I can get like a start on this drying process because I think it's gonna take forever. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm finally done. I'm pretty sure I got done with my hair at like 1 or 2 p.m. and it's now about to be 8 p.m. So my hair's been drying for like 4 hours at least. And the ends are really dry. Let me just show you how they look. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but my ends are pretty dry. It's just kind of like this area is not completely dry. And I'm still not sure how I feel about this look. Like, I don't know. I think if I would have like separated my curls more whenever I was doing it, I think I would have liked it more. I think it's all too like clumped together and I didn't really scrunch it. I don't know. The whole thing is to make it like, to make the final look like it's wet, and I feel like I definitely achieved that. My hair does look wet, and yeah, so I did achieve it, but I don't know if I like it on me personally. If you want to achieve this look, I would say just use a lot of gel, and the gel that I used, it really did really well. That was about to be a tragedy, okay? It was this gel. I feel like it was probably under $3 for that large container of gel. So, but yeah, that's how it looks. I don't know if it's me. I'm probably just gonna put it in like a low ponytail. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You guys let me know what y'all think of the look, but it was fun trying it out and trying like a whole different look on my hair to see how it looked. I'm just not feeling it. Like it's just not it for me, you know? But anyways, this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys try it, let me know how it comes out. And yeah, if y'all are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.